Your transmission's fucked.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome to the first episode of our daily maintenance series. This is something that I wanted to try out as kind of experiment just to show the things we have to do to keep our cars on the road and running well. Between the two of us, we have the 3 project cars and then like 4 daily drivers plus our family's cars, and you know, we got to do just the general upkeep to keep them running. And I thought it would be a good idea to show just what we have to do, like changing our tires, changing our oil, spark plugs. Maybe when something breaks, we show that it is brakes, brakes to stop the car, not when the other brake. And just the generic random stuff. It's going to be pretty basic. There's no more talking other than this, just time lapse. Watch it, hopefully you enjoy, let us know what you think, and have fun.
transmission, and we get big old metal piece.
Big old metal pieces. Look at that. This is the third piece of metal to fall out of the transmission.
Oof.
When we got the car, they had a bigger chunk from the service shop that we had it, and I put 3,000 miles on it after that, and there's more metal. I don't notice any problem while driving, so I'm still gonna drive it till it breaks,
It's fine.
but there's a big spicy piece of metal for it. And the magnet was covered in shavings too.
I gotta check just the oil in the pan.
Yeah,
See if there's any chunks.
there's gonna be.
Okay, so oil's just a little sparkly.
Look at that. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, it's so bad.
All of that in there is metal.
Yeah.
That's...
I think your transmission's fucked.
Yeah!